Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset a Whisker Litter Robot 3. To hard reset a Whisker Litter Robot 3, there are some steps to follow. First of all, you have to start by unplugging the Litter Robot 3 from the power outlet. This will ensure the safety during the reset process. After that, you have to leave the Litter Robot unplugged for about 10 minutes. While waiting, manually open and close the globe of the Litter Robot a few times. This helps to ensure that any potential blockage or stuck litter are cleared. After the waiting period, plug the Litter Robot 3 back to the power outlet. Once plugged in, you need to perform the reset procedure. For that, you have to first of all press and hold the empty button located on the control panel of the Litter Robot. While holding the empty button, briefly press and release the reset button, which is a small button located near the power switch. After pressing the reset button, continue to holding the empty button for about 10 seconds and then release it. The Litter Robot 3 will now go through a startup sequence where it's initialize the internal component. This will take few minutes. You have to wait for few minutes and then once the initialization is complete, the Litter Robot should be reset to its default setting. You can now test the operation of your Litter Robot 3 to see the issue is resolved or not. Hopefully this video will help you to hard reset your Whisker Litter Robot 3. Thanks for watching.